lifting the weight, standing directly at the cosmic gate. Got a chest full of lightning, a mind full of stars, pushing past boundaries, breaking the bars. We don't need permission to occupy space, so look at the speed as we finish the race. Rocket chicks flying through a nebulous sky, never look down and we never ask why.